Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add attachments and rich media to your Airtable records in 2025. Whether you're managing projects, client information, or creative assets, adding images, files, and links can make your tables more visual and interactive, helping you and your team stay organized and engaged. Start by opening your Airtable base and selecting the table where you want to add media. Click the plus icon at the top of a column to add a new field, and choose the attachment field type. Name it something like files, images, or documents, depending on what kind of content you'll store inside this field. Once the attachment field is created, click any record in that column. You'll see an upload area that lets you drag and drop files or click to upload from your device. You can also attach files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or paste a URL for online content. Airtable supports many file types like PDFs, images, videos, and audio clips. If you want to embed media or use rich content, use the URL field type. This is great for linking videos from YouTube or Vimeo, or adding web resources related to your records. Airtable will even show a small preview of the link directly inside the record, making it visually appealing and easy to reference. You can add multiple files to one cell, preview them directly inside Airtable, and open them in full view when needed. It's a simple way to make your database more dynamic and team-friendly. And that's how you add attachments and rich media to Airtable records in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.